Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable notifications for account changes. You want to know instantly when something changes on your Bright account? Well, here's how to enable alerts for every update that matters. Start by opening the Bright app and tapping on your profile icon in the top right corner. Then go to Settings and then select Notifications. Now tap on Security and Account Alerts. Here, turn on notifications for password changes, for device logins, linked bank account updates, and for personal info edits. You can choose to receive alerts via push notifications, email, or both, depending of course on your preference. With these settings enabled, you're going to be instantly notified if anything changes on your account, giving you full control and immediate awareness. It's the easiest way to stay secure without constantly checking your app. Like, share, and subscribe for more Bright tutorials that put you in charge of your finances.